Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can delete your Genshin Impact account on your device. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So to begin with, open up your web browser. As you open up your web browser, on the search box, you need to type in the link that is www.genshin.hoyover.com, and I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. So once you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site, and in the top right corner, you'll be able to see an option as login. Click on it. First thing, you need to log in into your account. So for that, provide either your username or an email address and a password. After you're done entering your login information, click on login, which is right at the bottom. And then in the top right corner, you'll be able to see your username or your profile name, and you have logged into your account. Now in order to delete your account, click on account, and for the security purpose, you'll need to log in once again into your account. After that, you'll be directed to account information page. On this interface, you'll be able to see your account information or your basic info. So then in the left hand side bar, there is an option as account security settings. Click on it. Once you click on account security settings, on the other side or in the right hand side, there will be a list of information regarding your account. So you need to scroll down right to the bottom, and in the bottom right corner there is an option as requesting account deletion. Click on it. As you click on it, a confirmation page will appear. Since I've changed my password recently, so I'll not be able to delete my account. Now in your case it won't happen, so you'll proceed on with the process. You'll need to select a reason for deleting your account, so you need to give a valid reason so that they can deactivate or delete your account as soon as possible. And once you've done that, you'll also be receiving an email saying that you've requested for an account deletion, and within a couple of days later your account will be deleted and you'll be notified regarding the deletion of your account. And that is how you can delete your Genshin Impact account on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.